Struggling to increase your sales and conversion rate? You need a captivating whiteboard animation, not an ordinary, boring one, but the most engaging one. With more than 5 years of experience in animation and having earned more than 300 happy customers and reviews on Fiverr in less than 6 months for various custom explainer video gigs, I am now bringing an absolutely amazing way to improve your sales and conversions up to 230% through the power of an animated whiteboard explainer video. With an exciting mix of text, sound, visuals, and animation, an animated whiteboard explainer video will engage the different senses of your audience, ears, eyes, and mind, and help them understand your products and services in a fun, memorable, and entertaining way, thus compelling them to take action. So go ahead, place your order right here on Fiverr.com. Satisfaction guaranteed.